If you're not selling gift cards in your business yet, you are leaving money on the table. Let me show you how to set them up the easy way inside of GoHighLevel. So to access gift cards inside of HighLevel, you're going to come right down to payments and you'll see gift cards right up here. If you do not see this at the time of the making of this video, and it is not an option, you're going to need to come right into agency view, go right down to settings, come right to labs, click sub account and type in gift cards and then activate for the exact sub account that you want. Simple as that. That is how you get access to this feature. If you don't see it already, you may already have it. So all we do to create a gift card is we click create gift card. We're going to put in a name. So we're going to do GHL Wizard. You're then going to put in a description. You can have AI write it or yourself. This is a discount of the GHL Wizard. Again, you're going to put in the exact description that you want. You can select an expiration date if you want it to expire. We're going to do 1 month. We're going to click confirm again. That's up to you. You can have no link or link, okay, which you can pick and add in. We're just going to do no link for this video, but you decide what you want. Terms and conditions. So these are the terms and conditions of the card. Does it expire? Does it not? Who do you have to spend it on? How does it work? You put that right in here. And again, you just plug in whatever you have. You can use ChatGPT to help you out. You just plug that right in. I'm going to say this is valid for 1 month. Again, you're going to want to put in exactly what your terms and conditions would be, but for the sake of this video, we're just putting that in. So you're going to go through, you're going to make sure all of this looks great, and then we're going to click continue. So then right here, we have a couple different options. So this is how we're going to make it look. So first off, we can upload custom artwork. Again, you see right here, 800 by 400 pixels if you want to create something in Canva, or we can create a gradient and we can basically have it look a certain way through here. So we can put the name in here. We can just do default template. We could pick yellow, which isn't the best, or that looks kind of cool. Again, you can pick how you want this to look, in what order, see how it's left to right diagonal, and then you could add it to templates or do anything else. So that's basically how you can make it look a certain way. Again, this is just customizing, or you can upload your own. That is up to you, and you get to decide that. So then we're going to click continue. This is where we get to pick how much is the gift card worth. So this is up to you. So first, we could have it be a $10 gift card, a $25 gift card, a $50 gift card. And guys, real quick, this is important because when we go over later in selling the gift card, it'll present the options, which is what they can pick. Or you could just have it be one, you pick whatever, but you could also put a custom amount. So if I wanted to do 8,000 and we click add, you'll see it pops up just like that. Again, you can put as many as you want, but this is where they'll see the price. You can manage the gift card inventory. So how many do you have? Do you want to say there's 100? Do you want to say there's not? You basically want to just let them know if it's, scarce. Again, that's a scarcity and urgency tactic for sales. Then you can do stuff with taxes to calculate on. And then if you want to add in categories because you have a bunch of gift cards, you can do it right there. But that is all right here. Okay. Again, you just pick exactly what you want. Real quick, guys, if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments down below. I will answer personally. But also, if you are interested in learning more about HighLevel and mastering and learning how to sell it, I have a 30-day free trial link down below. You'll get a ton of bonuses when you sign up. Help from me, coaching calls, trainings on how to master HighLevel, literally everything, snapshots, the whole 9 yards. And again, all of that is free when you sign up with HighLevel in the link right down below. So if you're interested in that, check that out. But if you have any questions, drop them. So now we're going to click continue. And now we can review our gift card, how it looks and all that cool stuff. And again, we can edit right here and do all that stuff, but we'll do that later. So this is just where you'll see the final product. Looks pretty cool. I like it. And then we're going to click create gift card. And this is going to fully create said gift card. So now you will see the gift card right here. And this is pretty cool. You hover over it. It does that little flip thing. Again, if you have a bunch of gift cards, you can search right in here and some filters over here and create more over here. But now there's a couple other things I want to go through before I kind of go through selling this thing. So first, if you want to edit it, you'll just click edit. If you want to send it, you'll pick the exact customer you want, which that would be me. Click continue. We then put in the exact message. So when you send a gift card, you're going to be like, it's your birthday. You're amazing. You deserve it. Or you just pick something that's already default down here. You pick, it's whatever you want. And then delivery. How do you want it delivered? Do you want an email, SMS, QR code? That's basically how you're going to set that up. Again, with this, it's really important. Delivery is key. Maybe you have a PDF, maybe it's longer, maybe it's email, maybe it's a text. You decide that is the method it will be sent in. And then again, you just pick which one we want. You click review and then you are done. Simple as that. And that's how you would send it. Okay. Another thing too that I'm going to get into later in the video is that gift cards are treated as products inside of GoHighLevel. So anywhere you can put a product inside of HighLevel, you can put a gift card, which is huge. Then right here, what we can do is we can sell said gift card. Okay, so this is pretty neat. So number one, you can have a basic checkout link. This is like a Stripe checkout link. So if we click test checkout link, it will pull up right here. Pretty cool. They can pick the amount they want and then buy it and go through with putting in their customers and buying. So just like that, that is like a test checkout, which is pretty cool. So this goes in, this would be like them buying it. But then what we can do, we can embed this into a website as well. So if we copied this, we can legitimately put this into a website. So if we come down to sites, and we'll go to websites, click Connor's Landscaper, edit it, we could come right in here and we could click plus. We can find the HTML editor, which would be this bad boy right here. We slap this in right here, click this right here, open code editor, paste this in like this, click save up here. View it, boom. Right here, we have now embedded said gift card onto the website. So you can pretty much embed this anywhere on HighLevel. So that's pretty cool, pretty neat. And again, this is the kind of thing where if you're trying to sell gift cards or, make it nice, you can very easily just do it just like that. So then what we have right here is we have the QR code, which is us scanning that. Again, if we do this hover, it is right there. QR codes are really big. But again, that is a way to get the QR code. Then right over here, okay, you can deactivate it or delete it just like that. And if we click delete, look what happens. It gets deleted. So that's it, guys. Those are gift cards inside of HighLevel. It's very simple. It is not complicated. It is highly effective, and HighLevel recently added this. And I'm telling you guys, this feature will be huge. Now what I want to do is I want to go over a couple of reasons why this feature will be big. And this is really getting into the selling part and some key components to you selling this to your clients or selling yourself. And guys, this could make you a lot of extra money. And again, if you have any questions, drop them down below. But let's jump into that. So now what I want to show you is 5 different ways to really sell these gift cards on HighLevel. You can do more. It is really important. This is what I was talking about earlier. Gift cards can go anywhere where a product can go in HighLevel. So you don't really have to think about, will this work for my business? Just think how this will work and you plug it in accordingly. So the first one we're going to be going over is holiday and seasonal gift card campaigns. Whenever the holidays come, whatever kind of business you have, whether you're an e-com store, a plumber, an HVAC, whatever, the holidays come around. And when they come around, guess what? It's a great time to give away gifts. And no better way to do it than a gift card. This isn't just for basic business. This can be for anything. And I'm telling you guys, people love gift cards. Even service-based business. You're like, hey, here's a gift card to the plumber. Get your free toilet done. Or better yet, landscaping, get your flowers done, mulch, put in. Whatever you want, you can plug it in. And with the gift cards, that makes it that much more powerful. So you kind of think of like retention pains and stuff like that. Okay, next up, we have prepaid service packages using gift cards. So think like bonus packages. So if someone comes in and they're like, oh my gosh, I'm upset with the service, you could go and be like, well, here's this special gift card that is a bonus that will give you $50 off your next thing or whatever. It's almost like a coupon, but you can give these either as gifts or as like a basic backup, a fail safe for if stuff goes wrong. I'm telling you guys, this kind of stuff is what the OGs do. It's super powerful and it's just something to have in your arsenal that helps a lot. So again, pre-packaged service things can be huge. Then you have gift cards, referral, and client retention. So if you want to run database reactivation or simple stuff like that, you can bring people in with gift cards or for referrals. This is another big one. Then we have gift cards for referrals and client retention. Referrals, as you know, I love them. They are huge. Service-based business thrive off of these. You can easily get a ton of people to refer people to you for your agency or whatever, how you want to do this. And you can give them a bonus while they give you clients or however which way you want to work. That can be huge. And then for client retention, you can run database reactivation or whatever. You can give away certain gift cards. And guys, one of the things I want to let you know is gift cards can be a really sneaky way to upsell to other things in multiple dimensions. So I know that sounds like really, woo, that's weird. But no, hear me out. So if someone comes in, okay, let's say you get them a gift card. You're running a database reactivation campaign and you give them gift cards, which is $30 gift cards to Zoe's Everyone Hair Salon, whatever. And they come in, you could then upsell them on products, shampoo, more services. It's like an easy way to give people discounts while selling them more stuff. It's a lead magnet. And with referrals, that's a big one where you can use that to bring people in where it's not really costing you anything because you're giving people gift cards, but it also can be, a bonus. So you just have to think about it like that. Like this can do so many different things. And again, what's really cool about this is not costing you anything because it's a gift card or the business is just like free stuff. Okay. Number 4, gift card upsells in funnels and booking. If you have funnels, you can embed these just like I showed you earlier in the video. If you embed these in, this is a great way to make extra cash, especially if you've already sold people in a checkout process. This is what a ton of businesses do. And guess what? You can now do this in HighLevel. So use this for yourself or for clients, and it will help tremendously. Last but not least, membership and subscription gift card add-ons. If you use GoCollab, School, any of these things, using a gift card to get people in the door into the community and give people freebies, this is a huge way to do it. I'm telling you guys, people love, online communities, regular communities, however you want to do this. Gift cards is a very great way to do this thing, and you can do this to help bait your clients. So these are the 5 ways. There are definitely more of them. If you know of any more, you can drop them in the comments, or if you have questions about more, drop them in the comments. But what I'm trying to get you guys to see is there's so many different ways where you can use gift cards to lure people in, help them out, and make more money off them. People always think like, ooh, I'm just giving away stuff. It is in giving that we receive. It's the way it works. When you give, you build reciprocity and you get back. So it is very important to utilize these because they could be a big difference maker in your business. And if you're like an e-commerce business or a local shop, these will slay. That's where these become like even more powerful. They're still powerful for regular businesses, but this is where these absolutely crush when there's products involved. It just becomes an absolute game changer. Salons and, chiropractor, stuff like that. It can just be an absolute game changer. So guys, make sure you are using gift cards in your business ASAP because it could change everything for you. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions at all, drop in the comments down below. I will answer personally. And if you are interested in high level learning how to sell it, I have that 30-day free trial link right down below that you can try completely for free, which is awesome. It's also extended and you get all kinds of bonuses. And if you don't believe me, click the link and see what we've done with people. It is truly amazing. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. You know where to reach me, and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.